start by getting to know your editor and our scene view, which actually shows a three-dimensional, it shows the camera of the scene, which shows all the 3D objects currently in our scene. Here is a representation of our camera, and here's a representation of our light. I wanted to notice in the inspector in the top right, all of these numbers are changing as I move the object. If I wanted to have a very specific position in space, such as the origin, I can set this back to 0. Layer. This has a bunch of different options that is more complex, that allows you to specifically associate objects in your scene. So if you wanted to see only things that are UI or only things that are on the default layer, you can choose to have them on or off. For example, our lights and our camera are default layers, so I can toggle whether or not I see them. There's a tile association opinion. If you want to better organize your tools, your object within your scene, you can actually manipulate